Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tech package and the Class 2 trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got the nice whiteout Bronco logo. You do have access to your lift glass as well, where you just have more access to your cargo. You do have roof rails as well, which is pretty handy, and we do get blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we do get plenty of cargo space. You got cargo mats, all weather mats and stuff like that. You can lift this up for additional space underneath with your full-size spare tire. Got little hooks and doodads to hold your gear, as well as a 12-volt outlet and an LED light. You can collapse that row if you need more space, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice roast coloring, gray cloth, and black leathering as well. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Got your own fans back here, as well as 110 volt and 2 USB-Cs. And you do get plenty of door space with that nice roast leathering on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leathering that we saw in back there with the cloth, but we do get the additional Bronco logo on the front seats. Plenty of door space up front with that nice brown leathering on the door, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and you have your lights and liftgate all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 23.4 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone, all that jazz, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our settings for this main screen, such as audio, navigation, phone, settings, and your display. Over here, we have our gear select, cup holders, parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Get that nice brown roast leather-wrapped center console with 2 USB-Cs. And for your goat modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. To my right, we do have our heated front seats plus dual climate. You got a little storage cubby here with some nice brown accents on the dash. Your engine start, storage in the glove compartment. We do get a nice garage door transmitter, as well as our features for our moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, you have your navigation, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, a Wi-Fi hotspot, got your audio, phone, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, all that fun stuff, Wi-Fi, and you do get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF63410, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.